to install on Windows, we'll click the link to download, and then remember, so here it's saying it was blocked because it could harm your device. So you just need to go in and say keep. So this is safe. So again, instead of saying delete, we have to click show more and then say keep anyway. This is completely safe. And now it's downloaded, so I can click this show in folder. You can go to your downloads folder. Then once you have your file here, here's the download. Now, when you double click it, it'll do this, Windows protected your PC. Then you click that more info button right here and then click run anyway. And then that should let you install the application. So just make sure, every time it asks you whether, you want to keep the file, just, click yes and make sure you get through all those checkboxes. Then it should go through this installer screen, and when the installer is done, it'll start the application. So here's the application. Then the example I use is this Track Palm model, but you can go through and play around with these different possibilities. If you want to get to the file again, it should be installed in your application, so you should be able to type in Wekinator machine and it should show up as an application installed on your computer.